What's up, guys? Bingo here, and we have a quick unboxing and overview of this Bellroy. What is this called? It's a phone wallet. Yeah, it's a phone wallet. So, here we go. The All Conditions Phone Pocket Plus. It comes in this nice, sleek uh, packaging. It actually came without any seal, which I reckon it's okay. And that's it. We got the All Conditions Phone Pocket Plus, smartphone, two cards, folded bills, and 1 to 2 keys. And that's basically everything in the packaging. It says, Day one, let's make a count. Anyone who wants to scan that for newsletter, this is not a sponsored product. I just wanted to try this out. So, yeah, we got this in I forgot what the colorway is, but in this like bronze sort of a color. This is the bigger Bellroy phone pocket, which is there's also a smaller version, and it just opens like that. You got a little pouch here with this nice cloth, and we got a nice texture here. Yeah, just a little bit of a card. Shows you what you can put in. There's an elastic cord, quick access slots, folded bills, main pockets, and yeah, there's also like uh, oh, they even have like a small key. Oh, the key goes in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is like I got two phones here. This is the Pixel 9 Pro, which is like a 6.3-inch smartphone. This is the OnePlus 13, which is like a 6.8 inches smartphone, like the bigger form factor. We'll start with the Google Pixel Pro 9 Pro. Can easily fit in there, phone, and still got some space here for your cards. Okay, thing is that I'm kind of concerned is that this pockets here, which is supposed to be for your cards, is a bit deep. It's quite deep, so let me find some cards here. Let's say, where is it? Couldn't find my card. Find any cards here. Okay, here we go. No, that's not it. Let me look for my card thing quickly. Couldn't find it. I was not prepared for this video. There we go. You are not prepared. Got a few cards here. It says 3 cards. Flybys. Some and everyday rewards card. So we got 3 cards here, and if you put that in there, it fits like that. I mean, you could fit more. It fits well on the second, but I mean, I was hoping that it's gonna be just sitting there so that they're quite easy to take, but that works as well. Just take your card out and then go on. Put the phone here. Put the cards. And I really doubt my keys is gonna fit because I got like a pretty bulky key. Yeah, it's not gonna fit like big keys, but maybe just one small key like this, like one door key would be enough. So that's a bit disappointing, but that's okay. But yeah, for your phone, provides enough protection, fits well. And then let's try the bigger phone. Oh, it fits. I thought it was not gonna fit. So yeah, even the bigger smartphone fits perfectly. So if you have like an S25, 24 Ultra, or maybe an iPhone Pro Max, it's gonna fit well. Yeah, it fits like a glove. I think it can even fit here in the pocket, but it's gonna be a bit tight, so it'd be better if you just put it like that. And yeah, it's really nice leather, pretty big. Here is the, in comparison, here's the card wallet that can take like 10-15 cards, which I've been using for about 2 years now. It's the size to it, and I think this is good. You just put your phone in, and then you got your cards in there, and you're good to go. It's all protected. So it's all conditions, so should be able to withstand like cold weather, or the zippers are designed to like be water resistant, I think, but don't quote me on that. Check out Bellroy's website. It says here if it's, oh yeah, it is water resistant leather and coated zipper. Okay, you can quote me on that. So yeah, if you're going on like maybe on a hike or somewhere where you don't want your phone to be crashed, I think this is the good product for you. The price though, it is quite expensive because Bellroy products are always quite expensive. I'm actually gonna look it up. Phone Pocket Plus. So it's 149 Australian dollars right now. Yep, 149 Australian dollars for the bronze, 169 for the ink. They do go like on sale every now and then, but yeah, it's a bit expensive. That's Australian dollars, by the way. And this one was like 100 Australian dollars. So I think that's good price considering it's made of leather and it feels pretty good. But yeah, that's the Bellroy Pocket Plus in bronze. Pretty much. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you think about this if you have it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot to. You can put bills in here. I think. I'm pretty sure. Let's have a quick check with that one before we go. Let's try Aussie bills and let's try some Australian bills first. The bill should be going here. It's pretty fits well instead of the phone. That's actually for the bills. And can also go here. Yep, works there as well, but not on the small one. That's for the cards. If you're from America, got some American dollars here for some reason. It fits well with American dollars. And even in there, but it's a bit yeah, I'd rather just put the bills in here. All right, that's it guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.